Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Mami, and I'm here with the get ready with me, I guess. So I'm getting ready to go to work, and if you don't know, I have a second job in nightlife. If you know, you know. Anyway, I'm gonna do something simple, basic, natural, soft glam type of look, so stay tuned.
Can't stop, won't stop, get dropped. 10 white toes and them toy flip flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies to the top. Cause I'm icy. Haters wanna fight me. Never been the one to RP up on no Pisces. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shiesty. Ask me if I'm on some Gucci, bitch, I'm
I'm using the Browzey brow gel to kind of tame my brows and lay them in the direction that I want them to lay in. I have not gotten my brows waxed or threaded or anything in a very long time, so they're very full. So I use this to kind of help me, like I said, lay them in place so I don't have to overfill. I'm only going to fill what I need. So I forgot to talk while I was recording the video, so I'm back with a voiceover. Hello. So here's the primer that I use. I've been using the same primer for quite some time now. Sometimes I might switch it up, but it usually remains the same. Next, I'm going to grab some concealer and put that under my eyes. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of freehanded this makeup look. I was just rushing and just doing whatever felt right. So this isn't normally how I would do my makeup or the order of things that I would do, if that makes sense. Just gonna blend. I'm trying to like spread the concealer exactly where I want it to be to give me that snatched look in the end. Yeah, I was definitely rushing because I would never use this type of brush to do that. But I felt the concealer was getting kind of dry, so I put some setting spray on my face to help that out. I'm just gonna keep blending until I look less scary. Please don't mind how scary this looks. I promise it will come together in the end. Just be patient. So there's a foundation I'm using, Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think I got this in an Ipsy box, and the color is actually really good, so I was surprised. Go Ipsy. Now I'm using the Triangle Puff to put on the Huda Beauty Powder. It's one of my favorites. I'll put the exact shade in the description box. I've used it before, so if you've seen some of my previous videos, you probably know what I'm talking about. I'm using NYX on the brow. All of the products will be in the description below, but this is one of my favorites. Next, I'm going to clean them up with concealer. I'm using the same Huda concealer I used in the beginning. I would recommend doing your edges or baby hairs before your makeup, but I was rushing here and I kind of forgot. But after I get done doing my brows, I just brushed off that powder and continued to make my brows look great, okay? The key is blending. You just have to keep blending until everything looks smooth and seamless. I use my favorite bronzer by Fenty Beauty on my eyelids. I'm also gonna take that and use it to contour my nose as well as my cheeks. I just love how it makes me look so warm and golden. I'm not gonna lie, me and contouring aren't like the best friends. I know how to, but I don't really like to contour too much. That's just my personal preference. Well, if you made it this far, one, thank you for watching, and two, can you go ahead and please hit the like button? And please leave a comment on things you'd like to see on this channel. I forgot to mention I do use the bronzer near my hairline. And this is the real reason I'm never on time. I had to get a snack break in. Then I went in with the Juvias Place blush. And then I'm gonna cut my contour with the same sponge and powder that I used earlier. After I dust off the powder, I'm gonna go ahead and get my highlighter. I'm also using Fenty Beauty on the highlighter. I'm gonna put it on my nose, above my Cupid's bow, and cheekbones, as well as the brow bone. This is when I started feeling myself, you know, I started seeing the vision. But I used Fenty Lip Paint on the lips. This is my favorite as well. I lined my lips with the Wet n Wild pencil. It's literally in Walmart. So I'm running late, but this is the finished look. Something real simple, cute. You know, if you like what you saw here, please go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends.